Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. Today, we are going to show you guys how to change the name assigned to a user account. Because if you, for instance, go to Settings, Accounts, and then Other Users, or even Your Info, you will notice that you don't have the ability to change, like, Test's name, or I can't even change my name. So what you have to do is do Windows key R, and then you're going to type in NETPLWIZ, and this opens up the user accounts. And then right here, you can go to Test, go to Properties, and then you can change their username to Mini-Me, for example. You can even set their full name and their description. And what's great is you can change their group membership right here from standard user to administrator. You have to do is hit apply and OK. And what's really cool is this also lets you reset their password. Hit OK. Let's see if it updates it automatically. Go to other users. And right here, you can see other users. It changed test's name to Mini-Me. What's really cool is it should update it in the users here as well. It's not here at the moment, but I have to restart the computer and then it will update the user's folder name. Now, I do believe that is the end of our tutorial. So let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.